Good morning children, welcome to class 3 English 2. Lesson 2 explanation is over. Then previous class I have explained the nouns, grammar part I have explained. Do you remember that? Nouns. What are nouns? Noun is a part of speech that refers to the name of a person, animal, place or thing. That means naming words. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. That already I have explained. Then page number 21 I have given to you for homework. I hope all of you done in book. I told you to fill this in book only. Okay, and I will explain the answer of that. Identify 6 nouns in the picture and write them down. Page number 21. Identify 6 nouns in the picture and write them down. So in the given picture, all these are nouns. No, all these are the name of the things, animals, persons, etc. So I have already written here sky. Sky is the name of a thing. Then tree, it's a name of a living thing. Park, it's a name of a place. Then mat, it is the name of a thing. Apple, it is the name of a fruit. Glass, it's the name of a thing. So not only this, all these are the nouns in this picture. You can write more nouns here. Okay. Then next part, B part. I told you select each letter and write the name of a person, place, animal, thing with the same letter I told you. And I hope all of you tried. Okay. Then what I have written I will show you. A. First I have selected the letter A and written the name of a person, place, animal, thing with A. Listen. A. Anu, America, alligator, apple. Then second G, I have selected C, Gautam, Goa, giraffe, guitar. Then number 3 K, Keshav, Kerala, kangaroo, kite. Then number 4 M, Meenu, Manipur, monkey, mob. Number 5 C, Catherine, Canada, crocodile, carpet. Okay, so like this you can select any letter and write the name of a person, place, animal, thing with the same letter. Okay, clear? Understood the answer? Yes. Then the next page, page number 22. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Underline the nouns in the following sentence. Page number 22 is given there. I will read the sentences. The pencil is in the box. The dog chased the cat. The children were studying in the classroom. New York is a busy city. Caravans move on the road. So what you have to do? Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Nouns are given there and underline the nouns only. Okay, the first sentence, the pencil is in the box. What is the noun in this sentence? Pencil and box, because these are the names of things. Okay, pencil and box are the names of things. So pencil and box are nouns in this sentence. Then second sentence, the dog chased the cat. Which are the nouns from this lesson? So from this sentence, dog and cat, because dog and cat are the names of animals. Then next, the children were studying in the classroom. Okay, in this the children and classroom are the nouns, because children, name of persons, name of children is the plural form of child. Okay, name of a person. Then classroom, the name of a place. Then next, New York is a busy city. New York is the name of a city, name of a place, name of a country. And city is also a noun, common noun. So New York and city are the nouns. Then caravans move on the road. Caravans, it's a van, it's a house moves on wheels. Okay, so caravans is a name of a thing, and road, it is also a name, it's a common noun. Okay, so these are caravans and road are the nouns in these sentences. Understand? Okay, so I hope all of you understood noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Simply we can say nouns are the naming words. Okay, any name, any name of any person, anything, any animal, any fruit, then any place, all these are the nouns. Okay, any name we can say noun. Okay, clear all of you? Then this page number 22, underline the nouns in the following sentences that you have to do in copy. Okay, page number 22, underline the nouns in this following sentence that you have to do in copy. Find out the nouns and underline it. Okay, then only this much. Then page number 22, the speaking thing is given there. Practice saying the following words which end with a D sound. Played, wanted, opened, changed, carried. Write 5 more words that end with a D sound that you can write. That is moved. Okay, ed, end with the D sound, moved. Then apologized. Okay, then returned, interrupted. All these words, decided, all these words you can write. You have to write more words. Okay, that end with a D letter. So that's all in this chapter. Then the listening section, writing section, I'm not explaining now. So almost parts I have explained. Okay, so do this page number 22, this underline the nouns in the following sentence in copy. Clear all of you? Then all the question answers given from this lesson. Then fill in the blanks, match the food items with their descriptions, write the opposites of the following words, circle the odd word, discuss why it is odd. Then this underline the nouns. These things you have to do in copy. Clear all of you? Okay, bye.